If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Injective update. It has been a while. I wasn't making too many videos throughout the festive period, but I'm back permanently. So what we were essentially saying in the last video update, which was a while ago, we were drawing essentially key levels of support. And we knew that, of course, during my last update, we were hovering around this $34 and $36, these two yellow lines essentially, and we want to hold them for bullish continuation, with our next targets being $50 and then $90 if you have been remembering my thumbnails and titles. So we are still anticipating those moves to the upside, but there are some levels that we need to break in order to, start that motion of movement to the upside. Basically, we need a catalyst, and that will essentially begin once we break through the golden pocket, $40.81. Let's just call it $41. On the break of $41, we are creating the reversal wave, and we're looking at that $50 target. And then, of course, you can see that 65 is next. However, we have been in a target for some months now to around the $90 mark out of a previous inverse head and shoulders, which I called all the way back down here around $6, $7, $8. If you remember back in early throughout summer, end of summer, that was around the area where we created the reversal wave, and we were just waiting for the 786 to break because it was where we were finding resistance, as well as this previous resistance over here and support in the past. So I know that this is a valid line, and it also became a neckline, which was pretty much spot on, exactly in line with the 786. And you're just waiting for that price, $9.53, to break, as well as the neckline, which is slightly beneath at about $9.11. And then you validate the pattern, which was, I think, a 900% move. Correct me if I'm wrong. From the breakout over here, we're targeting, just slightly beneath 900%. And we are well on the way to that target. So let me know in the comment section below if you have taken action on this move. You should be sitting at a 300% gain. It's quite funny. My partner Abby, I got her dad to buy some Injective all the way back down over here, so he's been showing me every single day, Louis, it's up 10%. It's so cute. But going back to the daily time frame, we actually prepared you with these levels of support because usually if we're losing the 20, you head down to the 55, and it wasn't exactly in line with the yellow part when we were sitting at this previous resistance. Now as support on the 20, we could see that the 55 was way beneath this point, but I'm looking at previous higher lows in the past. I'm looking at the red candles, then I spot the lowest wick, drag it across, and then eventually the 55, as we consolidated a little more, was given the opportunity to catch up and show that this is the support. So we didn't need the 55. We knew that because it was the previous higher low. However, then as we consolidated, this is caught up, showing you that that support that I'd drawn out a few weeks ago is indeed correct. And so if we do ever lose this, the level of support that we must not lose is this, which is $28. And now we've just got the 55 moving average pretty much just stating that, because if you know what the moving averages mean, the 20 is suggesting we're in an uptrend as long as price action is above and you're seeing new highs. This was the previous high. We held the 20, we put in a new high. We're holding the 20, we're looking to put in a new high. I've already mentioned the targets, eventually $90, but there are some along the way over here, as you can see. And if you ever do lose the 20, the 55 backs you up as a second layer of defense to push you back above the 20 moving average. All we now need to do is confirm it as support and then break the golden pocket, which is $41, and we will start this move to $90. But of course, let's worry about some other psychological levels first. $50 and then maybe even $75. So keep that in the back of your mind. We are still on our journey to $90, and while we are still holding above the 55 moving average, I'm expecting that eventually, but if we can continue to hold above the 20 and break through $41, then it will happen immediately. Thank you so much for tuning in. On the way out, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share so we can hit 8K followers as quick as possible. Make sure you're following me on Twitter as well. It's Louis_crypto. I would of course suggest using the links in the description and pinned comment section of this video update, simply because there are fake and scam accounts out there. So I do have a blue tick. If you want to take action on my education, I do have a course in place that will teach you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader. If you need further guidance, I do have a mentorship plan, which is me sitting with you one-to-one for 3, 5, or 10 hours, and you will also get my course included for free, as well as 2 months free in my Discord community, where every single week we do 2 group calls teaching you my exact strategies. Use the links down below in the description and pinned comment section. Hope to see more of you in the community. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.